everyone, welcome back to Azira. So our next Eid arrival we have already started our Eid collections upload start today I am here with a printed kaftan, premium quality material printed kaftan. Let's see. So this is how it is. Beautiful prints and the material is cotton linen blend material, very comfortable to wear material on top. This is how it is. Back side is the these are operable ones, so it's a feeding friendly product. Sleeves with the half sleeves are beautiful product, and the main highlight is length. Okay, this the length is 57 inches. And customers request lengthy kaftan. So this is for you guys. 57 inches length and material cotton linen blend material. Size as usual free size like up to best 46 to 48 3XL 4XL product. So this is our today's launch, and we have launched in 3 different colors. First one green shade, dusty green tone. First one green and white combination. Second one is which I showed you now, blue and white combination. This is the second color. Okay, and we have one more color that is going to be black. Beautiful black color. Okay, 3 colors. Not only that, inners separately available. Ribbed inners very hit product. Customers restock. So here it is. High color ribbed inners are back in stock with 2 colors itself, off white and black. Are end colors ribbed inners size free size product. You can order with this extra. Purchase. If you wish to purchase any of them, you can screenshot and DM us through Instagram or WhatsApp, or else you can just directly and purchase from there also. Our website is available www.aziracollections.in. If you collections, it's me, Shahal Azim, signing off.